This is a quick video on how to add your domain to Cloudflare and then have it forward to another domain that you want to actually be shown from that domain. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add your domain to Cloudflare. So we're going to go here on account home, or you can go to domains, and we're going to go to onboard a domain. Okay, so we're going to add the domain that we're going to add to Cloudflare. Okay, we're going to do quick scan for DNS records, which is recommended. You can check which way you want to block the AI training bots. So we're just going to keep it at blocked right now. Okay, we're going to select the plan. Usually the free plan is good enough. Okay, so what it did right now is it actually searched for what DNS settings that are actually on that domain. So right now, this is a free and clear domain. It was just purchased. So it only has the name servers that are actually from the other, where we purchased the domain from. We don't need these DNS settings or name servers. So we're going to delete these. If you have any other DNS settings like mail settings or DMARC or anything like that, I'd probably keep them there, especially if you have an email set to it. But I would take the name servers out. Okay, so right now we're going to add 2 records here. We're going to add an A record with the @ symbol, and then we're going to do the 192.0.2.1. This is actually a dummy IP address that kind of doesn't go to anywhere, so it just helps in forwarding the to the new domain. So, you want to keep it proxied, because if it's not proxied, it will not go through. Oops. You're going to press save, and then you're going to add one more for the subdomain www. Same thing, same record, IP address, proxied. Okay, once those are done, continue to activation. Okay, so now we gotta go over here and we're gonna add these records to our domain, so that because these are going to be our new name servers. So we're going to click here, go back to our domain. Now this is always going to be a little bit different to each person, whether it's with GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any of the other domain companies. So you're going to have to go and look for your name servers, and then you're going to edit the records. And we're going to go to custom. We're going to add that. And then we're going to add the next one, press save. Okay, so now we just added the records for Cloudflare's name servers. We're going to press continue, and then check name servers now. Name servers now. Most of the time it takes less than 24 hours, but it can take up to 24 hours. I would say it's kind of instant most of the time. All right, so now we did that. Now we need to forward it to the new domain. So now we're going to go over here where it says page rules or rules, and we're going to go to overview, and we're going to go to these are rules templates, and we're going to look for this one over here. It says redirect to a different domain, and say preview template, And then we're going to just add this here, because this is the redirect that we're going to do. So I'm just going to say redirect to Pilates Social Clemson. Okay. So down here, if incoming requests match, we're going to do all incoming requests. Okay. And instead of dynamic, we're going to do static. We're going to add this. And status code is always going to be a 301 direct because it's a permanent redirect. Okay. And deploy. And that is it for that. So now we want to check it. See if the redirect happened. And there it goes. Sometimes it doesn't take right away. I think the longest I've seen it happen was probably about 5 or 10 minutes, but that was instant right there. I hope that helps.